No, I think it's the first time a concept like this was, ever showcased on the Indian screen, and it's something that, I had never attempted, something that I never thought also that, and Balki is known for making these out-of-the-box, quirky kind of films, which, I would love to be a part of.
I feel actors should be malleable enough to do all roles. I've had two stages that did really well in this space. So I always wanted to do something, but I didn't want to do the run-of-the-mill romantic comedy. I found this to be a very unique romantic comedy. हम हमेशा complain करते कुछ अलग करना चाहिए. In the space of entertainment, we've been able to give something new to the audience. It's a very normal thing that happens in every household. So I never gave it that baggage and that burden that I feel bogged down about playing it. I enjoyed it. I embraced it. So that was never difficult for me. Dancing in heels was. It wasn't a cakewalk. I rehearsed. And we shot for a couple of days, but after that my back was screwed. So I have full respect for women who wear heels.
I've never been in this situation, and I'm not in this situation. Yes, the relatable part is that yes, I'm married, I'm working, I'm independent, and that's one thing that is relatable. But I think the whole concept was so new and fresh, and we've tried to add, even in terms of performance or in terms of interacting in the scenes, there's something new to it. So I'm very excited about the film, and I'm sure everybody is very excited for what we get to see.
I think they all loved it. They all they're so excited about it. In fact, Saif's like, it's great that, both of you have done this kind of a film. And the way, the reaction to the trailer, the song, everything, he's in fact, I think before the film, like when it was starting and few images were coming out, when we signed Swaroop Ji for the film as the mother, his reaction was always like, this film has got something novel to it.
And that's actually what I replied. I messaged back saying it means a lot coming from you all the more because we are all extensions of his performance levels. In the sense, we've only grown up watching him being amazing in that role. Along with the Langda Jagis that he's done, but I think somewhere you'll always associate comedy with Saif in a very, very cool way. So it meant a lot. For an actor to respect an actor on the basis of just a trailer, for me, it holds a lot of value. That means there is some genuineness in that compliment. He's not been frivolous about it. It's not like I've met him and he said, hey, good job. So I really hold that message is very important to me. I would like to believe that this film sometimes make it easier for people to understand what they've been blocking out where their kids are concerned or where their partner is concerned, and they can approach it in their own way. So if our film helps, why not? But that's not the only intention. We made an entertaining film at the end of the day.
Nobody has the secret to a happy marriage. And also the fact that relationships are breaking or marriages are breaking has nothing to do with another person, because it's about two people, and nobody really, in fact I would like to say that people should stop talking about this, because it's not anybody's concern as to what the problem is. B, you never know what the truth is and what's happening in those closed doors, and it's so terrible that people just join it together and just say that, oh, so many marriages are breaking, so many relationships are breaking. That is nobody's concern, and what the truth is, nobody knows.